Welcome to ATYA's Quiz Cove. Physics, Waves and Sound Quiz, Grade 5 Level, Part 1. What type of waves require a medium to travel? Mechanical waves. Which property of waves determines loudness in sound waves? Amplitude. What is the unit of measurement for frequency? Hertz. What type of wave is produced when you pluck a guitar string? Transverse wave. What is the speed of sound in air at room temperature? Approximately 343 meters per second. What causes the Doppler effect in sound waves? Motion of the source or the observer. What type of wave is a sound wave? Longitudinal wave. What property of a wave is related to its frequency and wavelength? Speed. What is the highest point of a wave called? Crest. What is the lowest point of a wave called? Trough. Which part of the ear converts sound waves into electrical signals? Cochlea. What is the phenomenon where waves combine and form a larger wave called? Wave interference. What determines the pitch of a sound? Frequency. What is the process of reducing the intensity of sound called? Sound attenuation. What happens to the frequency of a sound wave as the pitch increases? Frequency increases. Congratulations on completing the quiz. Quiz sponsored by www.atyagifts.ca.